Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Dr. Mamoona Azhar. By profession I am a physiotherapist and today I am going to deliver on the lecture. A lecture on the subject of medical physics, and the topic is thermal effects of electric current. The thermal effects of electric current were being discovered by a scientist who was named as James Prescott Joule. He was a British scientist and he discovered this law in 1841, and he named this law as Joules Law. So what is actually Joules Law? When current passes through a conductor, the current is free flow of electrons. When this flow occurs in a conductor, energy is converted into thermal energy. So this is how thermal effect of energy is being produced from the Joules law. There is a formula which is used for the Joules law, that is Q is equal to I square R T, where I is the current, R is the resistance and T is the time. So amount of heat produced in a conductor is directly proportional to square of current, resistance and the time for which current flows. And here unit for current is ampere, which is denoted by A. Unit for resistance is ohm, which is denoted by this sign, and unit for time is second. So this is how Joules law is being explained. Now moving towards causes of heating effect of current. What are the basic causes? What is the basic phenomena which is occurring in conductor? That is the way thermal energy is being produced. So we are moving towards that phenomena. In that phenomena, we will know that current passes through a conductor. For example, this is a conductor. We applied potential difference across the ends of conductor. For example, these are the ends of conductor and we applied potential difference. So this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. We know very well that when current flows, free flow of electrons occur. The electrons travel towards the positive terminal as they are attracted toward the positive terminal. So according to that, the current will travel in this direction, as here is the positive terminal. These are the atoms of conductor. And we will denote free electrons with this black marker in minute particles. These electrons travel in this direction. Here is one question which is being arised, that when free electrons travel from negative to positive terminal, they flow in a direction opposite to electric field. We have already studied electric field. For example, this is the positive charge. The electric field of positive charge is always outward. And here, for example, this side there is positive charge present as current is traveling in this direction, and electric field which is being produced, it is in this direction. So this is the direction for electric field and this is the direction for the movement of electrons. This is how the direction of electrons is opposite to that electric field, so that when this direction is opposite, kinetic energy is being produced in these electrons. When their kinetic energy is being increased, during movement they collide with atoms of conductor. During that collision, what happens? When these electrons, which are having already high kinetic energy, when they are colliding with these atoms of conductor, they collide with them and increases their kinetic energy as well, so that average kinetic energy is being increased. Average kinetic energy of this whole conductor is already increased. When the average kinetic energy is increasing, temperature of conductor would automatically be increased. So this is how thermal effects of electric current occur, and this is how this is the basic cause for producing heating effect of current. I hope you guys liked my video and you have understood it completely. If you guys have any query or any question, you can ask me later. Thank you so much.